Yo, anyways, y'all. Hey, we back. Better than ever. This chicken busting. Regardless, though, we back better than ever. We took a minute off of the YouTube grind. I'm here to tell y'all why. We've been doing a lot of motion in the background, been staying consistent in the background, but we're here to bring it back. So I'm gonna throw some clips into here. Everything that we've been doing. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You know, we got a lot of stuff going on. We took a time off to figure out what we wanted to do to incorporate in the YouTube grind and watch this succeed in the ways that's gonna fit me best. As you guys know, I love cars. I recently got into the entertainment industry, so we're doing a lot of stuff with that too. It's gonna change a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It took some time off to figure out what we wanted to do moving forward, but now we're gonna incorporate everything. So don't tell me y'all ain't ready for this, because regardless, we're gonna mix everything together. So we're gonna still be doing the car stuff, we're gonna still be doing entertainment stuff, we're gonna also be moving a lot more smooth, keeping it consistent, and loading back in on the YouTube grind, you know what I mean? So, get ready for y'all. I'm gonna throw all these clips all together. It's been a lot of fun. Show you what's up with it. Let's go.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow to. I need some space in the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was
crazy, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Bro, my God. Bro, I nearly shit myself when I passed that dog. I literally was like, well, this is it. Like,
they checked my bag too, bro. They took my soap.
Yeah?
Because they said it was too many ounces.
Did they say random check?
Yeah, they said it was too many ounces.
I guess we look scandalous as fuck.
I guess,
they were
bro.
like, yep, you stepped.
We're over here supposed to go to San Francisco. They rebooked our flight because we missed the booking 12 minutes. That don't make no sense. It was, our flight's at 6 o'clock. We got there at 5:46, and they said we're not allowed on the plane. So now we got a booked flight to lay over in Vegas before we head to San Fran, and we'll see how this goes.
Is this me, bro? Bro, I am a little lost. I realized I haven't really made any content along here in San Francisco. I'm currently sitting on the beach right now, looking at the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a lot of fog, but hey, it's a beautiful sight, not gonna lie. Right at the beach. It's a very small beach, but we're gonna get up and start going, cruising again. The Golden Gate Bridge, right next to the ocean. Nice. Yeah, just wanted to recap with you guys. I've been trying to figure out things to do out here, and we're currently next to the Golden Gate Bridge, still on the scooter, but regardless though. Start heading that way, try to hit up Ocean Beach before we head back to the airport.
If you had to ride this, I'd be in my car.
That shit's gonna fall the fuck off. I've tried it. Anyways.
Wait, right here, bro.
All right. It's still gonna fall off.
Well, when we fly, yeah. But for right now, like, I need to know how to get in this shit, bro. So, let's go fucking fly.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go through this quick passenger briefing. It's just in case of emergencies or whatever. Okay, don't be an idiot.
That's number one.
That's all of it. Anyways, the seatbelt.
Yeah, we're going skydiving tonight, right?
Yeah. If we end up crashing or whatever, unbuckle. Open, make sure the door's already open. You should get out, meet at the back of the very back.
Do we have jetpacks?
We do not have jetpacks.
Do we have parachutes?
We don't have parachutes.
Oh,
The
shit.
shit would fly.
Oh, wait, so we're meeting in the back of the plane?
Yeah.
While it's in the air?
No. Once we land.
Cool.
I am going to configure the.
Am I able to hear you with this?
Yeah. Well.
going to help out the boy with a promposal. Anyways, whipping the Saab. So catch y'all there. So we just made it to my old high school, and we're actually gonna be helping out a homeboy to get this done. Special day. What's going on?
You know, we doing a proposal.
Oh yeah, are we?
Yeah. That's it.
Do we know if she's gonna say yes?
No. Pretty sure.
All right, so it's like a 50-50 shot.
50-50.
Are we calling it 75-25?
Like, yeah, 75-25.
Okay. Nice, go Pumas.
Yeah. And then you're doing ours.
Bro, why you got so much drip? Okay. He said today's a special day.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be all crooked.
Yeah, I think this is perfect, bro.
Stood in front of that one.
Do you feel like a little funniness in your stomach?
Not at all.
Oh, so you're just chilling?
Yeah.
Let's see.
What am I standing here for?
The picture. He's pushing P. We're all set up.
What type of dumb question is that? By that truck right there.
Oh, okay. We're getting in. All right.
The one in black.
Oh, she's black?
No, I meant like dressed in black, had I?
Yup. Yeah, you have me scared.
She said yes.
She said yes.
She said yes.
She did.
Indeed, she said yes.
Congratulations. They're going to prom.
She said yes, bro. She said yes.
She said yes.
She said yes. On to the next one. What's going on, guys? We are going to go get the exhaust done on this car right here. You guys know we did the lowering springs on it before in the past. You can check out that video later on, but regardless, today we are getting the exhaust done on here. So what had happened was they took the exhaust off to be louder. I don't know why she didn't take it to an exhaust shop to get it worked on, but regardless, we have the exhaust here in the car, as you guys can see. Big boy here, it's a Y pipe that goes to a dual outlet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it reattached. On top of that, we're gonna get the mufflers taken off and maybe get some new tips. I don't know yet, but we're probably gonna get some new tips. So we're gonna make this sound good and actually look like it has nothing done to it, because as you guys can see, it has no exhaust tips or mufflers or any pipes. It is literally just unbolted, taken off, and now just thrown in the back seat. So let's get to the exhaust shop, get this stuff done, see how it comes out. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like right now though. Not too loud at all, but it has a nice tone. So we're thinking about keeping the mufflers off, just getting everything welded up with no mufflers and making it look nice. It pops pretty decent. So we're gonna see what we can do today to get this exhaust sounding and looking good on this Honda Accord. And yeah, let's head to the exhaust shop and get this shit done. So we just got to the exhaust shop. I had to stop by O'Reilly's to get this stupid gasket right here just so we can tie everything up and have no exhaust leaks. But regardless, it sounds pretty good right now, but we're gonna make it sound better. 100.
And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Más rápido. That's bien. And just like that, we are all done at the exhaust shop, which means we get to take off, head back, and finish up what we gotta do. But hey, that wraps up the exhaust on this car. So gang, let's get it.